something. Oh, somebody's got their car for sale here. I think it's the same car. It's been making its appearance and disappearing. Like, hey, bring that car back that we're trying to sell. We need to drive it so we can get the kids to school. There's always, like, this is where people drop their cars off for sale. We put Betsy here once. ...2012. Yeah, I remember that one. It's been there off and on. Yeah. Got an argument about money. And they're like, well, we're broke, we're poor. So I put a for sale sign up and put Betsy there. And the missus about pitched a fit when she saw that. So you can't do that to our truck. Like, why not? We're broke, we're poor. We need to cut expenses. I'm glad we could trade that truck in for something, because in the end, transmission went out at the worst possible time and it rusted out sitting in our driveway. We couldn't bring it in because it was too big to park in the garage. It was too long and too tall. They don't build garages for vehicles like that. Even the new houses with the big 3-stall garages, you almost need a barn for that kind of truck. Well, anyway, I've kvetched enough, and in case I somehow appear on the internet, which will probably happen just as I'm pulling in the driveway, I need to stop this, so